Unlock a new era of intelligent automation by seamlessly blending ChatGPT's conversational power with Zapier's workflow magic. Let's dive into how you can supercharge your automations with AI. We'll start by building a Zap first things first. Identify your trigger. This is the event that kicks off your automation, for example. A new email arriving in your inbox, a new row added to a spreadsheet, or a new message in a specific channel. Next, we introduce our AI powerhouse ChatGPT in the Choose App and Event section of your Zapier action. Search for and select ChatGPT for your first step with ChatGPT. We'll choose the Send Prompt action. Now comes the exciting part, crafting your prompt. This is where you tell ChatGPT what to do with the information from your trigger. You can dynamically pull data from your trigger step to make your prompt highly specific. Imagine asking ChatGPT to summarize the content of that new email, extract key information from a form submission, or even draft a personalized response based on customer feedback. To connect ChatGPT, you'll typically need to provide an API key. Follow Zapier's instructions to securely link your ChatGPT account once connected. It's crucial to test your ChatGPT action to ensure it's understanding your prompt and returning accurate results. But we can go even further to make these workflows truly adaptive. Use Zapier's built-in features like filters or paths to route information based on ChatGPT's output. For instance, if ChatGPT summarizes your email and determines it's urgent, you can use a filter to send it directly to your priority inbox. Or, if it identifies negative sentiment, send it to a dedicated customer service channel. By integrating ChatGPT, your automations are no longer rigid. They become dynamic. They can interpret, analyze, and even generate content, adapting to the nuances of your data and fulfilling specific, intelligent requirements. Explore the possibilities and transform your daily tasks into smart, AI-powered workflows with Zapier and ChatGPT.